Preston here. I'm the principal here at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals, and I take it upon myself to showcase every property the way it should be showcased, and that is with video. Here's the location of this property here. I've taken the office drone, given you a bird's eye view about the position it is and the distance from the beach. What we have on offer here is a 4-bedroom, low maintenance home in a quiet street close to the beach. As you can see, there's plank floors to the living room, separate lounge, separate dining, kitchen, also a rear weatherproof sunroom with security screens. In fact, there's security screens all the way around. Main bedroom is at the front of the property. It's got built-ins with shelves and hanging, also access to the two-way ensuite. Two-way ensuite has a shower, toilet, and also a separate toilet for guests. As you can see, all the other 3 bedrooms have built-ins with shelves and hanging, and all of them have ceiling fans. And the peace of mind of having security screens in the windows and doors. Plenty of storage. There's a large linen press, also a separate storeroom, and also internal laundry, low maintenance yard towards the rear, and a semi-enclosed garage with a remote control door. If you'd like more information on viewing this property and viewing time set for having a look at the property, then please call the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information, visit the website at salesandrentals.com.au.